On the driver's side, take this cover off, just use a straight blade screwdriver. Take these lug nuts off using a 19mm socket. Remove the wheel. In the wheel well, you can see where the front sensor is located right here. The connector is right here. There's a little lock tab on the connector. You have to back off on that lock tab first, disconnect the connector, and then there is a bolt right there. You're gonna have to take that bolt off. It's kind of hard to show on camera. I'm gonna reach in there, push down on the tab. Disconnect the connector right there. I'm going to use a 13mm socket, a long extension. Just reach in there. Take that bolt out. Get the bolt out, and then grab the sensor and pull it right out. Take the knock sensor with the bolt and line it back up where it was. Get the bolt started. Just be very careful with the knock sensor. They are sensitive. And torque the sensor to 18 foot-pounds. Now I'm going to connect the connector. Just line it up on the sensor. Lock it down and then push down on the lock on the connector. The procedure for the back one is the same as the front. It's just located right here next to the front drive shaft. Install the wheel. Put the lug nuts on. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly. And just double check. Center cap, there is a key so that you know where the valve stem is, so line that up with the valve stem. Lock it down.